With permission from Pope Francis, priests are now allowed to forgive women for having abortions. In an apostolic letter released by the Vatican, the Pope is granting the power to all priests, in the virtue of their ministry, to absolve abortion, what the Church still considers a grave sin. The letter reads in part, quote, "I wish to restate as firmly as I can that abortion is a grave sin, since it puts an end to an innocent life. In the same way, however, I can and must state that there is no sin that God's mercy cannot reach and wipe away when it finds a repentant heart seeking to be reconciled with the Father. May every priest, therefore, be a guide, support, and comfort to penitents on the journey of special reconciliation. The Catholic Church has long held that abortion is a grave moral evil. The Catechism of the Catholic Church says that every human life, from the moment of conception until death, is sacred, and any Catholic who procures an abortion incurs automatic excommunication. Prior to last year, only a bishop or a designated chief confessor of a diocese could forgive a woman who had an abortion. Pope Francis, who in the past has called abortion a horrendous crime, granted special dispensation last year on a temporary basis for the duration of the Catholic Church Year of Mercy. The Year of Mercy, which is a period during which believers may receive special indulgences for their sins, made the permission universal. Pope Francis's change in policy to let all priests absolve the sin of abortion will be extended indefinitely. The evolution of the Pope's stance is further evidence of his vision of a merciful church to those women who, as he has written in the past, felt they had no choice but to make the agonizing and painful decision of having an abortion. For FoxNews.com, I'm Rob Demetrius.